Want to download your Canva design in high quality or with a transparent background? Here's how to save it as a PNG, the right way. First, make sure your design is ready, whether it's a thumbnail, logo, or Instagram post. Canva lets you save it in multiple formats. Go to the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download from the drop-down menu. In the File Type section, select PNG. It gives you higher quality than JPEG, perfect for sharp graphics and text. If you're a Canva Pro user, turn on Transparent Background. Super useful for logos, icons, or overlays. If you're on the free plan, skip this, or use remove.bg after downloading. Now just hit Download. Your PNG will be saved instantly and ready to use anywhere, websites, videos, or print. Use PNG when you need a clean, crisp image, especially with transparency or text. For faster loading or lighter files, use JPEG instead. That's how to export high-quality PNGs on Canva. Like and follow for more Canva design tips.